So here we are walking around the side of the house.
Is that music coming from your house?
And we are pumping out the water from the basement. There's quite a bit of water down there. And then there is a garage as part of the property that also needs quite a bit of work. There's the garage, and here's the backyard, and there is the back of the